In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a column to many columns using Power Query. We'll start by opening the document that contains the data you want to work with. In this example, the sample data is already prepared in cells A1 through A4. This gives us a simple list to demonstrate how Power Query can take values from one column and separate them into multiple columns automatically. Next, select the data range so Excel knows exactly what you want to transform. Once the range is selected, go to the Insert tab and click Table. A confirmation window will appear showing the selected range. Make sure the option for My Table has headers is checked, since this tells Excel that the first row contains your column name rather than regular data. Then click OK. Excel will now convert that range into a table, which is important because Power Query works very smoothly with table-based data. After that, click anywhere inside the table. Then go to the Data tab and choose From Table or Range. This will send your table into the Power Query editor. Depending on your system, it may take a few moments to load, so give it a second until the full editor window appears and your data is visible. Once Power Query has fully opened, you're ready to split the column. Select the column called Full Name, then go to the Home tab or the Transform tab if that's where you prefer to work, and click Split Column. From the menu, choose By Delimiter. A new window will open with the settings for the split. In the delimiter list, choose Space. This tells Power Query to separate the text wherever it finds a blank space. Under Split At, select each occurrence of the delimiter. That setting is useful because it ensures every space in the text is treated as a split point, which is exactly what you want when breaking one text field into several parts. Then click OK. You'll immediately see Power Query divide the original full name column into multiple columns. Each new column now contains one part of the original value, making the data much easier to sort, analyze, or reuse in Excel. To bring the transformed data back into Excel, go to the Home tab in Power Query and click Close and Load. Excel will create a new worksheet containing the updated table with the split columns already in place. Finally, take a moment to review the result. The original single column has now been separated into multiple columns based on the space delimiter. Each section of the original text appears in its own column. And that's it.